Hello. How is it going, guys? Final day, right? I feel that everybody that is here today or watching online really wants to be part of this. Because there are so many things working against you. It is the final day. It is right before lunch. So thank you all for participating, and I promise I'll make your time worthwhile. Before I dive into this presentation, I have a small disclaimer, which I didn't have before Paris. Some of the names that you'll hear will be the old ones, like the one you see here, Elrond. Now it's MultiversX. You'll hear Maya, which will be the X portal now. There will be other two names, which I don't want to spoil, so please bear with me. So today's talk is about Elrond NFTs expansion. My name is Mihai. I'm a cloud developer for SoXNO, the leading marketplace on Elrond. So let's start with this. By a raise of hands, who here has used Elrond for NFTs before? Oh, quite a big crowd. Very nice, very nice. And by any chance, did you use SoXNO before? Woohoo! Very cool, very cool. Okay, yeah, that looks very good. So, click. Okay, for those who don't know us, SoXNO is a business of two core parts. We have a launchpad with more than 800 creators that focuses on minting NFTs, meaning like the first issuance, like the first time the NFT goes from the creator to the initial holder. And we also have a secondary marketplace with more than 2,000 active collections that can be explored and traded. We started right before the end of 2021. It was the very beginning for NFTs on Elrond, and I remember it clear now. People on Telegram and Discord groups were yelling, all in caps, things like, "My niece can draw that," or "It's just a JPEG." That's like people in the Louvre saying about the Mona Lisa, "It's just a wall decoration." Of course, some of them failed to look beyond and see the value, but others, most like you here today, were eager and excited to explore this new thing as digital art collectors, as builders, as traders. But since then, almost a year has passed, and boy, what a journey it was. Click. Okay. So the green here on the graph represents our volume over the past 6 months, and the other column is the volume for the other marketplaces. You can see that we have almost 80% of the volumes traded on chain. Okay. So here on the other graph, we also act as an aggregator for the other marketplaces. What does that mean? Is people can list NFTs on any marketplace, and it will show on our platform as well. And they can buy it from here. They don't need to jump around platforms. This data from here, the green color, represents the volume that we did serve for other marketplaces. And it's about 50% of their daily volume for the last month. So if we would add this to the previous graph, sorry. So if we would add this to the previous graph, that means SoXNO handles easily 90% of the volume traded on Elrond for NFTs. So thank you. Look, I can keep shilling. We have almost 60,000 registered users. We have about 1,500 unique wallets interacting with our smart contracts daily. And of course, we're really, really proud of what we have achieved. But instead of me telling you about all of our accomplishments, let's see where we are going next. So over the past couple of months, our team has been in contact with countless individual artists, business owners, as well as public institutions. Of course, depending on their background, we got many questions, technical questions. Other people wanted to know how can we help with their project development strategies. But the ones that really stay with us were about onboarding existing communities to Web3, right? How can I advertise my collection to Web2 public, they were asking. Basically, creators were a bit afraid. They thought that the initial friction caused by transforming fiat money into cryptocurrencies would affect the adoption of their NFTs. But what if there was an easier way? And with that, I want to announce that by the end of this month, we will bring 2 new major upgrades to our Launchpad and trading system. With the help of our partner Twispay, now Xmoney, you will be able to buy and mint NFTs directly from your credit card. Huge. That will be huge. Users and companies will be able to bypass crypto payments and explore NFTs in a more familiar way, right? There will be less in-between steps that can confuse the end user and a more comprehensive purchase experience. Everyone will be able to, like I said, buy and mint NFTs directly with their debit card or credit card using euro or Romanian RON as currencies. We strongly believe that by creating bridges to Web2 and minimizing the initial complexity, we will be able to onboard more users to NFT, hence accelerating the adoption on Elrond. So, okay, let me walk you through on how simple it is going to be for a new user. So, having a wallet is essential to store the NFT, and we're really, really lucky that Elrond did an amazing job with Maya. So once the user has the wallet, he is ready to make his first purchase. It will be as simple as buying an online Christmas gift for your family. Now that I say it out loud, I think buying an NFT as a gift for Christmas might actually be a good idea. But anyway, let's go back to our business. So once the user completes the payment transaction, the NFT will be automatically sent to his wallet. He doesn't need to do anything else. We will take care of it. It will be straightforward. It is very easy. So now that you know how easy it is, can you tell me which project are you going to ape in first directly from your credit card? Anyone wants to shield their favorite collection?
Space robots!
Woo! NFT and space robots. Very nice. Okay. So we have fiat payments coming this month, but our vision and our ambition goes far beyond that. If you've been part of our community already, I'm sure you remember that we have continuously gathered user feedback. We have relentlessly developed our platform to deliver a best-in-class trading experience. So as the market changing around us, it is key to stay agile, be flexible, listen to feedback, and make changes based on what's happening on the market. Looking a bit further down the road, 2023 is just around the corner, and we are more than ready for it. Industry moves fast, and so do we. And with that, here's our roadmap for the next year. What do you think? Read a bit. Okay. Looks good for me. So, cross-chain payments, to further expand the adoption on Elrond, NFT growth, and so on, in partnership with Utrust, now Xmoney, we will be entering the cross-chain space. Communities from other chains will be able to jump into Elrond NFTs via their native token. Imagine a world where the gap between chains will be non-existent. Ethereum, Solana, and other users will navigate Elrond NFTs without any obstacle. They will be able to buy NFTs from Elrond using their own chain, using their native currency from their own chain on our platform directly as a payment method. But thank you. Yeah, but our journey towards a billion users doesn't stop here. We will continue, and by mid-2023, we are planning to release the first version of a custodial wallet integrated directly into SOEX now. This will drill even deeper to reach non-crypto users and bring them into the ecosystem. Because nowadays, everybody has a Google or a Twitter or an Apple account. I'm sure most of you do. So how cool it will be if by using that account, you'll be able to purchase NFTs directly with your credit card on our platform. Do you think that the users that are going to do that, they care if behind the scenes they are using blockchain? I don't think they do, right? Nobody cares what's behind the scenes as long as it's easy. So another thing that we are looking at is developing a native mobile application. Did you guys see the recent updates that Apple just released, I think, a week ago, 2 weeks ago, regarding their App Store guidelines? Anyone? No worries. So if you didn't get the chance, basically they clarified some of the concerns regarding apps that handle NFT trading. And we do believe that the terms will get favorable in the future on this area. So like most of the online businesses, we have more than 70% of our users accessing the services via their mobile phone. So to further improve their experience, we have already started working and took the first steps in developing a native mobile application for our platform. That will come. It will be amazing. So something that I think you will enjoy very much. Elrond has a great community. We all know it. There's no doubt about it. We saw it last night, the gathering, everybody. It was amazing. And because of that, I want to let you know that we are developing some methods to share something back to you. We want to keep the community engaged with their projects and build together through a smart reward system. We are researching a future economic model through which traders and potential investors can earn rewards via several ways. Real APR via staking, a novel issuance strategy based on the activity. But okay, I think I said enough. I don't want to spoil the beans because we actually have something else prepared for you. Anyone wants to take a guess here and tell me what they think this is about? Okay. Some good ideas. I heard somebody on my left side saying something nice. Okay, very close. So, okay. It's only been a couple weeks, but in parallel, our team is working on a new social platform tailored for the music industries. Labels, artists, self-musicians will be able to join the space and publish their tracks as a set of NFTs to be discovered, enjoyed, and traded on chain. So if there are any artists out there, definitely feel free to reach out. I mean, really reach out. We would love to talk with you and see what this space needs. What are the requirements to deliver a best user experience on this area? So, getting closer to the end of the keynote, I want to thank everybody that participated and share our gratitude with a small gift. I think you all know what you need to do. Just open your phone, scan the QR code. I hope it will work. Okay, if not, you do have the URL down below. Once you reach the landing page, you will need to log in with your wallet and just press Claim NFT. You won't need to sign any transaction. You don't need to have any money in your wallet, no gas fee, anything. You will be put in a queue, and based on your order in the queue, we are going to send you a free NFT that will be your proof of presence at this keynote. Does it work? Did anyone try it? It works? Okay. Very nice. I'm really curious. How many there'll be. So I'll leave this on for a couple more seconds so that everybody gets the chance to do it. If not, it's simple. It's our homepage /XDay. So you should be able to do it later as well. There will be only 1,000 of these. I'm not sure if we reach that number, but if we do, it will definitely be great. So now this will be the closing slide. I don't think there is too much to say about it. I just want to be more of an inspiration for all of you, because Elrond by itself has this goal, and I don't think they will be able to reach it without us, right? This is a very big goal. So all of you, community, builders, you need to participate, get engaged, continue what you are doing, be active, create, and that way we will reach this goal. That was me, that was Mihai from XDay, and I really thank everyone for being here today.